I was not born or raised in the United States. I have a master's degree from here, and as I entered the job market, I became aware that there is way too many logistic stuff that needs to be considered in order for me to be able to be authorized to work in the USA. Other companies would not consider me because of my immigration requirement, but on the other hand, Foth had reached out to me knowing that I have that requirement, and they hired an immigration attorney and they had him in staff and ready for me for when I came aboard. If that doesn't tell you how inclusive Foth is as a company, then I don't know what does. I'm also very blessed to have a group of coworkers who are providing all the emotional and personal support needed to go through the process. I mean, it can be nerve-wracking sometimes to reserve the mental capacity, and I call them my board of directors in the Des Moines office.